One of the most important migrations on Earth begins with a little fish, the sardine. Over 3 months, from May to July each year, millions of sardines travel from cold Antarctic waters up the east coast of South Africa, following the movement of phytoplankton on which they feed. They will be trailed by a mass of predators, dolphins and birds, sharks and whales, which migrate to feast on the greatest shoal on Earth. June marks the start of the migration at the southeastern tip of Africa. The cold Antarctic tide pushes up along the east coast, making a narrow corridor of cold water where the sardines congregate. Sardines can only survive in waters below 20 degrees centigrade, so they are trapped between the warm water current and the land as they head north with the tide. A single shoal of sardines can stretch over 25 kilometers. The sardines routinely get caught in a cove called Waterfall Bluff on their way northwards, and it's here where thousands of hungry hunters lie in wait. The dolphins use sophisticated sonar to detect the sardines. Working together, they separate a group of sardines from the main shoal, encircle them and trap them against the surface, creating a bait ball. Gannets dive into the bait ball, traveling down 10 meters in search of prey. Sharks also wait for the bait ball to be created. Before a final predator strikes, the brooder whale. The sardine run attracts tens of thousands of dolphins, sharks, seals and whales, all working together to feed from one of nature's most spectacular migrations. Soon, the warm currents push the sardines and the cold current back down to the Antarctic. The vast number of predators start the long journey home until the next sardine run.